This video will demonstrate how to use aux sends and returns to get simple effects in your mixes. Alright, so let's go to the channels page, and we can see we've got one single input here, rocking here. And we want to put some reverb on this. So the easiest thing to do, there are other ways to do this. You could go and sends on fader and all that, but I'm just going to do using knobs here on the screen. Select aux and select your channel. Use whatever method you want to select the channel. Either touch the fader if you've got that preference set up, or touch with the silver button. And then I'm going to crank up the aux send. I've selected aux, which means this row of knobs corresponds to the bright pink there. I turn it up, it automatically turns on the on button. This is the off button if you want to turn that off and leave the knob up. So we just put a ton of aux send 1, sent a ton of this channeled aux send 1. Now we got to turn up aux send 1 master. This is the thing that everyone forgets. So we're going to go over here to the right side of the screen and do aux sends 1 through 12. There's my aux send 1. I'm going to crank it up. Look, you can see the send. And let's actually look at our outputs page. So I'm going to this side of the screen. I'm going to bring up the outputs, and you can see there's that aux send I was doing. And click this FX output button. And now all the default effects pop up. And let's do some non-lin reverb. How about some non-lin thick? And there it is. We've now an effects processor on that aux send. And we need to return it. And so there may be another way to do this, but the way I know to do it is to go back to my inputs page. And let's select some inputs here. Let's do 11 and 12. We'll have 11 and 12 source to the reverb. We'll select 11. And up here on my inputs, let's source main input to be internal FX. There's my two reverb choices. So there's left and there's right, which you can just use the arrow button over. That's a nice way to do it. And do internal effects, non-lin right. And you can see they're there, and hopefully we've got reverb. There you go.